Hey guys, so I was trying to figure out a way to get rid of these ripe bananas that have just been sitting in my refrigerator. So I looked up an easy, quick banana bread recipe and it turned out to be delicious. So I wanted to share it with you guys and maybe you can use it this holiday season. Let's kick it off with the dry ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 a cup of sugar, which I substituted for brown sugar. Want some of your brown sugar? 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, which you can opt out if nuts aren't your thing. Now for the wet ingredients. You'll need 3 mashed medium ripe bananas, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, which I know sounds a bit weird, but mayonnaise is made with oil and eggs, which are basically staple ingredients in any quick bread. And we're trying to cut back on the oil we use anyway. And for the last wet ingredient, 1 egg. In one bowl, we're gonna mix up all the wet ingredients, which includes the bananas, the eggs, the mayonnaise, yes. And it should end up looking a little something like this. Now, in a second bowl, we're going to mix up all the dry ingredients, and that should end up looking a little something like this. Now, in one bowl, we're going to mix up the wet and dry ingredients together so we can make a batter that's a little lumpy, like this. Then we're going to take this batter and pour it into a greased loaf pan. Hopefully your loaf pan is not as janky as mine. And make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pan in the oven once it's ready and bake for 60 to 70 minutes. Once the banana bread is ready, take it out of the pan and let it cool down. I like to leave it a little hot so it's ready to serve. Yum, yum, and yum. If you want to tune in to any more of my foodie adventures, make sure you follow me on Instagram at @Z_B_cooking. And thanks for watching.